Hey, what's up guys? Here with another unboxing. I bought myself a, what do you call it, a power light from YOLOtek. It's got the power, put you can buy like a spotlight for it. They have a lot of options. Put your GoPros on there. You could do 2 GoPros, 1 GoPro, 1 light, 2 lights. I bought the 2 lights, the stick, and the mount for it. So let's go ahead and open it up and check it out, and you guys see what it's all about. Alright, right here we got the YOLOtek limited light deck. It's got the USB there to hook them to the back of the light. I purchased the double barrel because you could buy the power stick without power, or you can buy it with power. It goes into where you plug in your navigation light. Pop that in. It's got the 3 pins. So if either you got 3 pins or 2 pins, pop that one in there. Put this on there. You have 1 GoPro and 1 light. So I went ahead and purchased both lights for the nighttime, so I could see what's out there. Do some night fishing. They gave you a couple adapters. Got the USB connection, hook up your phone, other devices. Sit here. Get this out of the way. This is what we got here. Well, let's take a look at it. So you got your connections, your pin connections. Drop it in, tighten it in. It's up to your multi-positions. It goes up to 53 inches. This is aircraft grade anodized aluminum. Lock in position. Let's go ahead and open this up. It's got your single mount it comes with. Hook up your GoPro on there and stuff. So during the daytime, I'll just use this here. Have my GoPro up front. They also sell mounts. You can put your cell phone on here, charge your cell phone, have it right there right up front. You don't have to be worrying about holding it or dropping it in the water. It's got your 2 USB ports. You got a 2.1 for fast charge, the first one. Your second one would be your 1.0 for a slow charge. And it looks like here you got like a light to indicate a light, whether there's power or not there. It's got a pivot, ball pivot there. Pivot's pretty nice here. Nice, good sturdy material. It's got a handle here. Pretty nice. Very nice. So let's check out these little lights. So I picked this up. This was $30 regular price. It was on sale for $14.99. So you'll be able to convert this over from GoPro or just the light itself, or if you want to go GoPro and light or 2 lights. That's what I bought it for. I wanted to get some good lighting for some night fishing. These are pretty sturdy aluminum housing. Got the LED light. It's got your on and off button. It's got 5 settings. It's got high, medium, low, strobe, and SOS. It's got a little print there, and you guys can see it there. Your USB connection. Guys, got your little multi-position clamps here. Said aircraft grade material. Stands up to 53 inches. So these connections and everything's mountable. It says it'll work with any GoPro camera. It's got the overprotection. It has a polarity correction also. So if, you know, you got it hooked up right on your boat and somebody wired their boat and the pins are wired different, it'll do the correction itself for you. Over voltage protection. Shortage protections, overheating protection. It's got a surge protector. You know, this guy thought of everything. Looks like it's got pretty much everything that I think that I would need on here. And then they're running a special, so this cable is usually I think like 30 bucks. They threw this in there for the special they got right now running. What I'll do is I'll see if it gets a little bit later. I'll try to put it in the same video. I'll plug it in the boat. My boat's in the garage, and I'll see how much lighting power this has. According to the lighting, the beam opens up to about 100 feet. It's wide open, 100 feet wide at 40 feet away. So that's not too bad. Also narrow down from up to 12 inches and everything in between. So it's got a pretty good adjustment as far as the beam and stuff. So how does that, so the adjustment on the beam would be this little, turning this here to narrow the beam or make it wider. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I saw this on YouTube. So this is the YOLOtek.com. So if you want to check this out, I got a referral code for you guys. You just go www.yolotek.com !RFSN then equals 55456 1.4 ADDD. So that's 3 Ds. That'll be your referral code. I'll put that down in the description, and then you get a free shipping. You just punch in on the coupon code FUN, and they'll give you a discount there. So if you use that link that I gave you, which I'll put in the description, and I'll also put down somewhere right here in the bottom, take a look at there, and then go to the description, just copy and paste. It'll take you directly to it. Use the coupon code, get the free shipping. Shoot, this thing is pretty cool. The power light, the stick itself, which would be just from here down with power, it's $240 regular price, $149.99. I picked it up at, it was on sale. The lights are $70. Picked those up on sale for $49.99. So $49.99, $49.99, and then the double barrel light or double barrel GoPro or GoPro light, $30. Picked it up for $15 on sale. So not too bad. Have this here. Get rid of using this. You know, I don't have to worry about this anymore. Putting this on my head, getting all the bugs around me when I'm night fishing and stuff like that. So also won't have to worry about carrying these guys with me if I got power or not. This, you know, I'll have my GoPro hooked up, and then I'll have my other GoPro. I got 2 GoPros when I'm out there at the lake. I won't have to worry about running a big old long cord anymore either. So I'll get rid of this, get rid of this, and get rid of this on my head in the nighttime when it's hot in the summer. Night fishing's coming, the weather's perfect. Start heading up to the lake in the afternoons after work, and don't have to worry about my batteries, running out of batteries, and be able to fish right, you know, cast it right on the bank. So like I said, I'll take it outside, and if it get a chance, I'll take it outside, put it on my boat, and see how strong these beams are, see how good this light is. I'll do that, and if I don't get to do that, I'll be doing another review on the water and on the lake, and show how much the lights, you know, if they're, how good the beam is, you know, check everything out. So like I said, check me out. Description, I got a referral code for you guys. Use that referral code. I got a coupon code, free shipping, tight lines, and I'll be seeing you guys on the lake with in the night with the lights. All right, I'll catch you guys. All right, guys, this is my boat here. It's in a little tight area in the garage. It's a Renal fishing ski, a 186. It's a Volvo motor. So I'm in here to show you guys where we got this light, the YOLOtek power light here. So it just goes exactly where you pop out your navigation light. You know, same type of setup, same pins are on there. Pop it out, put it in there. So we got it sitting up there with the 2 lights right now. I have the lights on in the garage. I'll be shutting them off, and we'll take a look at it. And you know, we could either put it up front or put it up back, but I'm going to use it up front for me for the lights. So I'm going to go ahead and kill the lights, and then I'll go up there and turn them on and see how good the light works. Okay, so I got it in there. Got the lights here. I'll turn one light on, and then I'll kill my light on that I have on my head here. So turn that on. I'll turn my spotlight off. Alright, so that's just one light there. And that's wide open. Putting a beam, a round beam, making it wide. So I'll start turning the dial on the lights to narrow it down. So you can pretty much see that square now. We'll open it back up. So like I said, that's one light. I'll turn my light on so you guys can see what I'm turning. I'm just turning here, and that's what's changing the size of that beam, making it a floodlight to a spotlight. Alright, so I'll shut my headlight off again. So that's one beam there at its narrowest. That one's wide open, so I'll narrow that one down. So you can see both of them are there. Both of them are on. Pretty strong light. We'll open it up and you'll see there's a huge difference with two lights. That's one all the way wide open. Let's open up the other one. That's the other one. So let's move this around so you can take a look. You know, I got a 3-car garage. It's about 24 feet deep, and fits 3 cars widthwise. So it lights up pretty good, and it on the wide part, and also narrowing it down to like a beam, focusing an area, and that even goes a lot further, man. Getting in the right spot. So there you go, man. Got both those lights on there. Got a little power indicator light right there in the back. So I could shut one of these off. And it's got we'll narrow it down and we'll put that's just one light there. And we'll do the settings. We'll go through the settings. That's on high. That's that's high. Let me turn my light off. That's on high, medium, low, strobe, SOS, and off. So turn that back on. We'll turn my light on. We'll unplug one of these. It's using that little pigtail got for the iPhone and I think the Samsung, and for the GoPros it has 4 different connections. So this one fits on my old GoPro here, so as you can see it's got light already, it's got power, so I could take one off, set the other one right here, and that'll be pretty cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, it's YOLOtek. It's the power stick. Turn the light on, I'll show you guys the There's a power stick here, and I ordered the 2 lights. And then I ordered the double barrel to fit both the lights because it doesn't come with that. So this thing was, they use it in the MLF, named official power mount for provider for MLF. And also it was Power Stick Wins Best in show in the iCast in 2015. So it's been out for 2+ years, and hey, I just found it and I wanted to give it a try. And you guys order it, you guys have any problems, the founder of the company of YOLOtek, his name is Christian, he sends you his phone number, he'll email you, he'll call you directly. I shot out an email questions on it like on a Saturday, and he got back to me, and like on a Sunday he called me up, and this is on a Sunday. So man, that says a lot for the company. These guys are willing to do above and beyond to make everything right and give you a good product and take care of you. So I got a referral code, www.yolotek.com !RFSN =554561.4ADDD. Got a promo code FUN for free shipping. So check that out. I'll put the link on the bottom. Copy and paste it and you'll be there, man. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to get your YOLOtek so you guys will be lit up.